In this video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to pin chat on Telegram. You can simply pin any chat of your own choice on your Telegram account in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your Telegram. On the chat page, let's select this chat to get pinned. There are two ways on how to pin chat on Telegram. The first option is to just long tap and get the pin chat option, as you can see. The second option is to slide left on the chat we want to pin. Those are the two options on how to pin chat on Telegram. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.